Have a look at this lady. She's really generously allowed us to use her film. She's seen a large number of specialists in a significant number of hospitals. She has a background in balance, but she's been referred in with intermittent imbalance and myoclonic jerks. We can't get the diagnosis. What's going on? And she is devastated by her symptoms. They're occurring intermittently, and they're wrecking her life. Now, I brought her to my joint neurootology clinic to try and identify what the cause was. And she does have a degree of underlying vestibulopathy. But what she also is terrified by her symptoms. So this is an emotional reaction to the underlying vestibulopathy. And once she was told that, what was her reaction? Thank you. I feel better.